Hello guys, welcome to this channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell to get updated from us. Today in this video, I'm going to teach you to recover your Apple ID's password. If you have forgotten your Apple ID's password and you are getting in trouble, don't worry, watch this video till the end so you can easily recover your Apple ID. Now let's get straight into the process. Open your settings. Here I go. Now at the top you can see that option sign into your iPhone, tap on that. Now enter your Apple ID here. Now you have to tap on next at the top right corner. Now you have to tap on don't have an ID or forgot it. Tap on forgot Apple ID. Now you have to enter your Apple ID here. Now you have to tap on next at the top right corner. Here you have to enter phone number. Make sure that you enter the number that you are using or you have access with. Tap on next at the top right corner. You will be getting the verification code in your number that you have provided. Wait for a few seconds. I have received the code. Now you have to enter your passcode here. Wait for a few seconds. Now you have to enter new password for your Apple ID. After you are done, tap on next at the top right corner. Tap on done. Wait for a few seconds. It is in the process. Again, you have to enter your iPhone passcode. Again, you have to enter your iPhone old passcode. Wait for a few seconds. You can see that now I have easily recovered my Apple ID's password. In this way, you can also recover your Apple ID password. I hope this video will help you. At last, make sure to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.